What's up, world? So I'm learning how to do PHP, and I'm gonna start by creating a variable with the $sign. Call it variable. I have to define PHP first. I don't think I have to close it. If it's a PHP file. So I'm going to call my, define my variable, and it's going to be equal to life. Make sure to use the semicolon to end the statement. I'm going to create an if statement and take in the variable var equals life, echo out it's life. Else it will output its death. And then I'm gonna echo it out. No, actually I didn't create a function, so it should pretty much, basically it's gonna, or it should say it's life. It's life. See here, top corner. So if I wanted to say it's death, replace the string with death. It's death. So let's see if I can do something with a function. Put this code inside there. So I'm gonna call my function life or death. Okay, so basically it should show nothing. It's showing nothing until I call it life or death. And now it should call life or death, and the variable it's not going to work because the variable is not a global function. It's not going to work unless I put life inside of the function. Now it'll work, and it should do the same thing because var equals life. So if var is equal to death, so it should be it's death. It's death unless I change. See, I created. Wait a second, something's going on here. Var equals life. If var equals death, echo it's life. Otherwise it's death, so it's kind of confusing. It's backwards. But anyways, if var equals life, then it's life, so it should do it's life. It's a little confusing, but you get the hang of it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for subscribing and liking the video. Peace out, y'all.